We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy
So most of you know that I like to do the JT House Crochet School products, and I got my box for my dress, and I just want to unbox it and show you what everything comes with this dress. The item came UPS. I already took all the labels, the UPS labels off. Okay, so I got the outer wrapping off, and it comes in this yellow box. And everything inside is bubble wrapped. And here, oh, I love these bows. I had used one of these beautiful bows on one of my dogs, the crochet Afghan dog, which I have a separate video tutorial for. So I'm going to save this beautiful bow to use again on one of my other crochet projects. But it looks like it also comes with a couple skeins of the beautiful yarn that comes from JT House. So this yarn is Sapphire Luxe. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. So now for the big bubble wrap one. This is my early Christmas present, so it feels like Christmas opening it up. I took advantage of her Black Friday deals that she was having on her beautiful crochet dress kits. Ooh, I can't wait to see what's inside. Now, here is the plastic wrap. So that's one of the things that I love about Julia Tushnika. She's the founder of the JT House Crochet School, and she's the one who makes these kits. Everything is just such care taken, and you can see how much work goes into her quality products. And no, I'm not affiliated or associated with JT House Crochet School. I just love her products. So this is what is on top. You get the crochet course. Mine was The Secrets of Dress Amelie. The author is Julia Tushnika, jthouse.net. And this dress is simply gorgeous. Look at this. Inside the folder, on each of the diagrams, you also get an example diagram. Look how gorgeous that is. Wow, just amazing. So I can't wait to get started with this one. But first, I'm working on her Topolina one, but I couldn't pass up her Black Friday deals on this dress. And I've been planning on getting a dress, but I was going to finish the Topolina first. But when she had her Black Friday deals, I was like, nope, gotta get it. So now it's just going to go waiting for me when I have time to create it. She will also create the pattern in your size. Now I'm not making this dress for myself. I don't know if I will in the future. I'm actually going to make this for my family member. So I got the sizes. She'll ask for your sizes, and then you just give her the measurements, and she'll create the pattern for you for the dress size. So yes, that's everything included in this little folder on top. So now I have another beautiful ribbon or bow on top of the actual kit, and I just love these kits too. It keeps all of my projects together. So I have my Topolina kit, and now I have this dress kit, and I keep these bows for my other projects. They're just simply gorgeous. So I can just undo the little tie there and then keep this for my other projects. So cute. And then here you can see burnt in the top is the name, The Secrets of Dress Amelie, which is the dress that I chose. And they have these little latches at the box, opening of the box. And then inside you get your 16 gigabyte memory disk, which has the lessons on it. So can't wait to go through and see what's on here, all the patterns and everything. And then she also gives you a crochet hook. Let's see if I can get this out. About this way. So this is how I first learned about the Tulip brand of crochet hooks. This one is a 1.7 millimeter, but I just love their golden tips. And I found these on Amazon, and I actually got a set of the smaller hooks, and they have the nice handles, the cushioned handles that I like, similar to the Amour crochet hooks. So they're not cheap, but I just love the quality of these. So she gives one for free in your kit. And then, of course, all of your yarn. And then this one is a neat one. I haven't seen this style of yarn before, but it looks like it has a glittery look to it. And it's hooked on this. There it goes. Wow, this is really gorgeous. And it feels so soft and sleek too. So you get a skein of this in here. And then she has this in there, but this just shows some of her other items. She just makes such beautiful crochet designs. I can't wait to see what else that she does in the future. So that is my unboxing. I am just thrilled with everything that I got with this. And this will go into my storage until I'm ready to make it, because I'm making the Topolina first. So on my blog, www.helenmaycrochet.com, you can see my progress. I'll post my progress pictures on my blog. And right now I have the Topolina only, and then when I get to the Secrets of Dress Amelie, I'll put the pictures of my progress with that as well.